Hey guys, good morning all of you. I am Prakash Pandey, student of Amrapali Institute of Hotel Management of BHM City 4th SEM. Our Honorable Chef Mr. Vinod Negi has provided us a golden opportunity to showcase our talent in front of you all by staying at home. Right now, you all can see I am stuck in Baleshwar district, village Tilsari, as it is a remote place. So I cannot get that much of ingredients to prepare my dish, but I have tried my best to enhance my dish in front of you all. Hope you like it, and my colleague Mr. Dev Pandey will support me, will help me throughout the day to prepare my dish. Thank you all.
Everyone, my name is Dev Pandey. I am student of Amrapali Institute of Hotel Management of BHM City 2nd SEM. Today I am here to help my senior Mr. Pandey sir in preparing the dishes. As you all can see that we are stuck at a remote place and we didn't get that much ingredients to showcase our talent. But as per the availability, we are trying our best. So good morning everyone. Talking about the ingredients, these are nettle leaves, also known as bichu ki ghas in Hindi. This is a key ingredient, as with the help of this we will be making a soup. Our next ingredient is timur. By the help of this we will be making finger salad. Next is a miza, some chopped onion, tomato and ginger. For garnish we have mint leaves, coriander leaves and grapes. Next we have some salt, red chili powder and turmeric. At last we have a whole ginger, 2 green chilies, a lemon and a whole garlic. So these are all the ingredients which we will be using today for making the dish. Hello guys, as you all can see that we have set the fire up. So now we will be doing the process of blanching. We will be blanching the nettle leaves for the soup. The key factor to be remembered while blanching is that the water should be at a boiling point. Then only we have to put the ingredients in the water that we are blanching. If we will not do so, then the ingredient will lose its nutrition level. So always prefer to blanch the ingredient or the leaves when the water is boiling.
So guys, as you can see, the water has started boiling. It is the correct time to add nettle leaves in it. Let's add it.
So guys, the leaves are being blanched. So now we will be putting them in cold water. Remember one thing, that once you will blanch anything, you have to put in a cold water so that the overcooking will be stopped and the color will be retained. So as you all can see that we have put the leaves in cold water so that overcooking can be stopped and the color can be retained. Now we will be blending them all for making of the soup. Now we will blend the leaves and prepare a puree. Now we will add mint and coriander leaves. So now the further procedure of preparing the soup is being done. We have taken an oil. Now we will put some ginger and garlic into it. Now we will add the puree into it. Now we will be adding crushed black pepper and clove. Now we will add some salt according to the taste. Some red chili powder. and some turmeric. And then we'll mix it properly. Now we'll let the soup cook until the next 5 to 7 minutes. As we have kept the soup for another 7 minutes, now it is prepared. Now we'll do its plating.
Guys, now we are going to make Timula Raman. It is basically a Kumaoni dish, goes as an appetizer, in which we have added timul, the main ingredient. You can see some grapes, mint leaves, salt, red chili powder, chopped onion, chopped tomato, and at the end we will add some lemon juice, and we have added green chilies also. So now we will blend them and we will make a type of not fine paste, but basically a type of paste which can be eaten easily. So guys, now we are going to blend them.
So hello everyone, now the Timula Raman is prepared, and now we will be placing it in an empty timur, and that will be placed as a plating.
Now we will take empty timul, in which we will add Timula Raman. We will top up it with fine chopped onion and fine chopped tomato and some fine chopped garlic. It will be served as a finger salad, a Timul finger salad, which is my second dish, and it will be served like this only, and it is eaten raw like this only, and it will be taste a bitter tangy. So it is the dish which we have made right now, finger salad, Timul finger salad.
So guys, this is what we made today. As you all can see that we started from the day and now we are finishing up at night. So this was all what we made. Here comes our soup, the Timula Raman, and with some chopped onion and tomato which the customer can add on to her basis. So this is all what we have for you.
Guys, this is all we made today, and you can see we have done the plating also. Hope you all like it, and I would thanks to my supporter Mr. Dev Pandey, who has supported me for the full day and has put his all efforts, has given his 100%. And I would like to thank our chef Vinod Negi sir, Mr. Vinod Negi sir, who has provided us this opportunity to showcase our talent. Hope you guys like it, and thank you, and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.